Hello everybody. I had a problem here with the K-Cup, the refillable, that I put my own grounds in. And the problem I have is that the water bypasses some of the going through the K-Cup. And here's an example, and I do have a solution. So here I will hit the strong 12, click, and I'll show you what happens as soon as it begins. There it goes, and now you're gonna see the overflow or how it bypasses. There it goes. See, there's the problem. So I found to solve this, seems a little different, weird. So take a clamp, put it up there to the top. Using one hand here, a little challenging, if you will. And then tighten it down, and no more leak. It's a little weird, a little different. But you know what? It works. Now I get the full flavor of my coffee. And let's hear what Wally has to say about that. Well, I guess it's Eva. Anyways, that's the solution for now. Works well, actually.